Before servicing the batteries on your vehicle, the main power connector must be disconnected. Start by tilting the cargo box. Locate the power connector behind the seats. To disconnect, lift on the tab and unplug the connector. Caution: never service the batteries on your vehicle without first disconnecting the main power connector. Damage to electrical connections and components will occur if they are unplugged before the main power connector is disconnected. After servicing the vehicle, the main power connector should be the last connection to be made. To access the batteries, lift up and remove the seats. Remove the storage tray to access the batteries. Inspect the battery terminal connections monthly. Using an insulated wrench, torque the terminal bolts to specification. Caution: only use insulated tools when working in the battery compartment. Inspect the battery terminals and connections for any corrosion. To remove corrosion, clean with a stiff wire brush. Then wash with a solution of 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 cup of water. Rinse well with tap water and dry off with clean shop towels. Caution: do not allow cleaning solution or tap water to enter the batteries. Coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Next, we'll inspect the battery fluid levels. A poorly maintained battery will deteriorate rapidly. Ensure the fluid level is checked frequently. Unlock the release tabs on the battery caps and remove the caps. Using a clean funnel, fill the battery cells to 1/4 of an inch below the bottom of the fill well with clean distilled water. Do not overfill. Caution: use only distilled water. Tap water contains minerals that are harmful to a battery. Notice: distilled water should only be added to a battery after charging unless the battery plates are exposed before charging. If the plates are exposed, add water about 1/8 inch above the plates, then charge. Inspect the fluid level again after charging and add as needed. Reinstall the battery caps and secure the locking tabs. Clean any residual water left on the batteries. Reinstall the storage tray, reinstall the seats, and reconnect the main power connector. Notice, an audible click will be heard to indicate the connection has been made. Test the connection by gently pulling back on the connector. Close and latch the cargo box. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.